Good morning, teachers and classmates. My story is about the brave little firefly, based on the story of Elizabeth Adica. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest lived a tiny firefly named Flicker. Flicker loved to explore, but he was afraid of the dark. This was unusual for a firefly, as they were known for glowing brightly at night. One warm summer evening, as the sun was setting, Flicker's friends, Emma the owl and Buzzy the bee, came to visit. Flicker, we need your help, Emma hooted. There's a big storm coming, and we need to guide all the animals to a safe place. Flicker's heart pounded. But it's getting dark. I'm scared, he whispered. Buzzy buzzed around him. You are the bravest firefly we know, Flicker. Your light can lead the way. Flicker took a deep breath and looked at his friends and nodded. I'll try. He flew up high, lighting the path for Emma and Buzzy. Soon, they found the rabbits, the deer, and the squirrels, guiding them all to a safe cave. The wind howled and the trees swayed, but Flicker didn't stop. His light shone brighter and brighter, showing the way through the forest. Finally, they reached the cave. All the animals cheered. Thank you, Flicker. You saved us, they exclaimed. Flicker smiled. He realized that he had been brave after all. The darkness wasn't scary, with his friends by his side and light in his heart. From that night on, Flicker wasn't afraid of the dark anymore. He loved flying through the forest and lighting up the night. He knew that even the smallest light could shine brightly in the darkest places. And so the brave little firefly lived happily, always ready to help his friends and light up the world. The end. The moral lesson of the story is when Flicker became the guiding light of the forest because of his courage and kindness in helping others, he also shows that even a smallest creature can make a big difference. The core values are competence and integrity. Always exert your best effort in your abilities and always be consistent in your deeds. Thank you for listening.